What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today on this beautiful Sunday, my friends. So today, the agenda, we have lifetime Discord winner will be announced at the end. So make sure you guys are subscribed and drop a like. This is going to be number 35, and I want to do at least 20 more until the end of the year. I'm also going to be doing $500 cash giveaway. So make sure you guys are subscribed and drop a like. That's all I ask. All right. We're going to look at the weekly recap. So you guys can see right here, guys, I closed my ES contract and I actually rolled it for $12,283 in profit. This was my best single contract trade of the year. And also I'm going to talk to you about my current swings on MES and also my roll into ES. We're going to look at one of my day trades, overall market outlook, NVIDIA, Tesla, Amazon. There's going to be a seminar next Sunday. I'm going to talk about that. And that's it. And we're going to get to the winner. Okay. So guys, hit me with the 3 if you can hear me loud and clear. And the first thing that I want to talk about is the swing trade that we took for the $12,283. And I want to walk you guys through that. All right. So here we go. Okay. So I'm here on the 4-hour chart. And this is the trade that we ended up taking. And like I said here, guys, $12,283. It's over 240 points on a single contract. So it's my best single contract trade of the year. And I just want to walk you guys through why I wanted to take this trade. Okay. So let's start off here. Okay. So the first thing that you guys know from trading with me for a long time is I love trading 618 Fibonacci pullbacks. Okay. And one of the most powerful 618 Fibonacci pullbacks are the Fibonacci pullbacks with fair value gaps, as well as the advanced harmonic Fibonacci pullbacks, which are basically the cipher patterns and the dragon patterns that I love to trade. So let me just adjust my anchor right here. So 5, 4, 30, 5, 4, 30, 75. Let me just adjust this right here, guys. And then right here, boom, 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 boom. Okay. So we're going to start off and we're going to say, well, why do we want to trade 618 pullback? Why do we want 618 pullback? Okay. Okay. Well, think about it like this, guys. If you show up to the dollar store, are you going to pay $2 for something? Hit me with a 10 if you will. Hit me with 11 if you won't. Okay. I want to teach you guys the whole reason behind Fibonacci trading is discount trading. 61.8 is a 62% pullback of the range. Okay. So popcorn, I see you, Darian. Exactly. So we want a 62% discount. All right. And my style of trading, guys, I'm not going to buy puts when the market is dropping. Look at this. So the market from the all-time high had dropped 150 points. All right. I'm not going to go ahead and buy puts when we drop 150 points because the puts are going to be too expensive. So it doesn't make sense to do that either. I'm a deal hunter. And how I like to hunt deals is using the 61.8% pullback. So a lot of you are going to be saying, Rich, well, how do you get your anchors? So my low was the Sunday open. Okay. So I love to use those pre-market levels. So my low was a Sunday. And then my high was the all-time high at the time. Okay. So when I went long, when I drew up my fib, this is what it looked like at first. Okay. So I didn't know if it was going to touch the 618 or not. And then from there, if I take my Fibonacci tool here, we're going to draw an harmonic Fibonacci. We're going to come off of the low to the high. This is the first shallow pullback. Okay. And then new high and then 618. Okay. So there's one harmonic there. And then the other one, if we come off of low to high, there's a slight pullback right here, new high, and there's our 618 right there. Okay. So we have 2 of these harmonic patterns. So let's move this over. What else? In this 618 area, let's go ahead and get the rectangle. We have 2 fair value gaps overlapping each other right around here. Okay. So let's make this one a little bit bigger. So there are fair value gaps. Okay. We also have a fair value gap, a small one right on the 618. Okay. So let's go right there. All right. So this is what the setups are. This is all the confluence that I have right here. Okay. I have a 618 pullback after the all-time high. We have a harmonic Fibonacci and we have 2 fair value gaps. Even with the 7 if you're following me so far. So when I start seeing the market coming down like this, I'm looking to enter on the 618 because I know I'm getting a 62% deal. All right. Here's the other thing. Okay. Look to the left. Zoom out. What is this trend? I'm zooming out for you guys. What is this trend? Is that bullish or bearish? Hit me with a 1 for bullish, hit me with 2 for bearish. Look at this trend. Forget about everything else. What is this, bullish or bearish? So obviously, guys, we look at this chart, it's bullish, right? So therefore, I want to buy the dip. It's that simple. Okay, so here we go. So let me clean up the chart now. Boom. So here we go. Forward, 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 forward. So all of this time, I'm sitting on my hands. I am not taking any to that 618 level because that's my value level. Bang, right there. Okay, so there's my entry. So let's hop into the Discord right here and let me just show you guys that. So I just want to go back here, show you guys the fill. So this was back in May. So this is when we had the Amazon calls. Let me just check the date on this one. So this fill was near the end of May. Okay, so actually let's go to the Fibonacci channel. So right here, my friends, this is all June and then May. Let's keep going. Here we go. Okay. So this was the initial setup of the pattern, just like how I drew it for you guys. And then here, my friends, there's our fill. Okay, so this is the same chart I drew for you. All right, so there was our fill on the 618. Okay, so I just want to make sure that you guys see that. And then let's go back here and let's go back here. Okay, so here's our fill. Things are looking good. Okay, so initially on this trade, you could see we popped up for about 10 points and then we turned back around. We had some news right here and then we started to get going. All right, then when we started to get going here, guys, we started off right here with this fair value gap. Okay, so I'm going to teach you a lesson right here. This lesson, what I'm teaching you, is not for everyone. This part, the first part of buying this 618 is textbook. Okay, all right, but what about here? What can we do here now? Okay, what can we do here? What do you guys think we can do here? So when we get long on this 618 right here, this move is $3,000 in profit for me. And then watch this now. I'm gonna come off of this low to high. Look at the 618 right here, guys. Right there. Look at this. This is scary because as soon as it touched that 618, look at this. Boom. Okay, so I added here. Let's continue. There's our new high. Okay, we're up more money now. Right around here, we're up about 7,000 or 8,000. Add again right here. Continue. So this one had a little bit of consolidation. Then we broke out. And let me fast forward here, guys. Boom. And I added one more time here. You guys see that? That is how you, so this $12,283, I ended up actually making $15,000 because I added here, here, and here. I didn't add with a lot of size, but I still added micro contracts. All right. Give me with 15 if that makes sense. So that's a little lesson there, guys. I hope that makes sense to you. And that, my friends, is the power of the Fibonacci. And I just want to point out here. So all of those ads, everything, it's called out here in the Discord, okay? So everything is here. So let me see if I can find back in the day. Okay, so this is May. So I want to show you guys. So let's continue. So these are Amazon calls. This is when we started the position. So it was up $2,000. Then I was up 3,000, and then I added. Then you can see here I had MES. So then I was up 5,000 with another 1,000, and then I started to add more. So MES, ES. Okay, these are my long-term positions. We had Amazon and SPY calls as well. And then we continue here. Adding now. See, now we're up at $6,000. Added a little bit more contracts. Okay. And then here are actually all my fills from the broker that I posted. So you guys can see it in there. And then ES 6,000, 6,000, and then 7,000. You could see. So 9,000. This is when we had the big push. And I'm literally walking you guys through the whole journey until this is the MES we closed for 2,500. And then let's continue. Here's the ES. We closed for 12,283. Hit me with a 10 if you guys see that. All right. So that's the journey. It took a little bit over a month, basically a month to hit all of that. All right. And what do I think right now? Well, here we go. So currently, we look at this last little anchor here. Come off of low to high. So I did add on this 618. So I'm trying this 618 right here. Okay. And you can see right now, I'm a little bit negative on this play, but my line in the sand is here. This is my line in the sand right around here. Okay. So this 5,500 level needs to hold. 5,500, right around 5,500. This needs to hold for the bulls. All right. But let's actually move over to the weekly chart so we could just do our analysis while we're here. One thing that you guys need to be cautious about, and I'm trying to be cautious about this week, is if you look at the last few weeks, we closed near the high. This week, we actually closed with an upper shadow wick in like almost an inverted hammer style of trade. If we actually go to NVIDIA, we can also see the same type of pattern. This is even more bearish. And then Amazon is extremely bullish here with this outside bar. But my point here, what I wanted to tell you guys is there is a possibility for a pullback this week. Okay. And my line in the sand is 5,500. As long as we hold 5,500, I say we continue higher. All right. Hit me with a 7 if that makes sense, guys. All right. So that was that little lesson there. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the June 20th day trade. All right. So that we took this one in the Discord together. All right. Okay. So here is June 20th. All right. And I have it right here. So on this trade, guys, this was let me hop back into the Discord and I'll show you. So we'll go to June 20th right here. So this one trade here went for 20 points. On one contract, that's $1,000 a pop. All right. And then you can see right here, I had a little bit over $1,000 on my MES. Okay. All right. So let's go to the trade right now. This one that I called out. I want to go back in time. I want to take you into real time when we're trading. Okay. So the first thing is this is called out in the screen share section as well as text. So if you're able to watch me trade live, click on the screen share when we're live, you'll see my screen. But I also called it out in text over here. Okay. So this is June 20th. And we ended up getting filled at 1:38 Pacific. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead. So 10:38 Pacific, 1:38 Eastern. So 1:38 Eastern is right here. Okay. And then you can see from here, guys, we popped 20 points. But the question is, why? Why was this for a day trade right here? Why was this the bottom on that day? Why was this the bottom? Okay. Why did I want to go long here? You guys throw your ideas out here. Okay. Let's see who's been paying attention. So you can see right here, I have a dip buy order at 55.26. We'll let you know once filled. Max risk is 5,500, which is must hold for this week. And then you can see filled, quick 4 points. And then right here, almost 20 points from our entry. That's 1K on a single contract, send the fire. All right. So you're going to see something now, guys. If you look right here at regular trading hours, you don't see anything. You don't see anything. But what about this? Okay. What about here on ES? So this level where we went long is the 618 from the 4-hour chart. So we're going to go hit the replay. We're going to go to the 5-minute and we're going to go to, so here we go. So here is June 20th. Here is the 138 where we got filled. And if you can see, this is the 618 from the 4-hour chart, my friends, with the fair value gap. And then from there, bang. Okay. So if you guys want to scalp, okay, that's how you do it. So I wanted to point that out for anyone that wants to scalp. So from the 618 entry, that pop, 26 points. And the risk, guys, look at this. You only took 3 to 4 points of heat. That's it. That's a massive winner. All right. So I wanted to point that out. From the day trades, using the higher time frame, Fibonacci levels, and then hitting it on like the 5-minute chart or lower and snagging an amazing entry. All right. That's the reason why I took that trade. That's the reason why I called it out in the Discord. All right. Hit me with an 11 if that makes sense. All right. So I just wanted to go over those 2 trades with you. And then the next thing we're going to do is the general market outlook. Like I said, this week is going to be trickier because of that topping shadow. Amazon is extremely bullish this week. And you guys know I've been buying Amazon for the last few weeks. And I'm making a good bit on Amazon because of these pullbacks. So I'm looking for a breakout to all-time high for Amazon in the next 2 weeks. All right. NVIDIA, this right here is a very dangerous inverted hammer. These are my buy levels: 115.87, 108.19, 150. And my target is going to be 150. Okay. So I just want to let you guys know, if NVIDIA pulls back, these are the levels that I want to buy on. This is using the weekly chart. And Tesla, very, very powerful holy grail. Outside, inside bar on the weekly. These are my levels: 187.04 for long, puts below 178. So Tesla, I'm neutral. And because I believe Tesla, it's going to have a big move, all right, at some point, because it's been, look at this range, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks of sideways consolidation, all right. Month end and quarter end on Friday. Yes, brother, that's going to be very, very powerful. So with this week is a good opportunity for you guys to make bank, all right. There's so many opportunities, so many trading opportunities. I think this week you can make money both long and short. All right. I think there's going to be good opportunities. So now's the time to get out there and be ready to bank when the market is volatile. Okay. So Heather wants me to look. Hey, Heather, what's going on? PANW. I don't really follow this name, but I'll take a look for you. PANW. Really nice, tight inside bar here. Definitely looks like it wants to make a new high next week. Okay. I don't follow it, but based on just the charts, I'll tell you that's what I see. Okay. All right, guys. So let's continue here now. So I just want to mention this. Next Sunday, I'm doing the Trading Wars seminar. So we're going to go over $21,000 in profits from my swing trades so far this year. My goal was between $50,000 to $100,000 this year. So I'm on my way. I'm a little bit short of my target, but I'm still, happy to have profit. All right. So 21,000, these are just my swing trades, not my long-term holdings or anything like that. And so it's going to be June 30th, which is next Sunday at 3 p.m. Eastern. Anybody with a green in their name, like Heather, like Popcorn, anybody with a green in their name, Wesley, you're going to get in for free. Okay. So if you want to get into the seminar for free, the seminar is going to be extremely powerful because, like I said, I'm going to go over all of my trades for the $21,000 in profits. And I'm going to talk about some hidden lessons that I don't usually talk about on YouTube. I'm going to look at the broker. I'm going to talk about the fair value gaps, all those things that we can go in detail in a seminar with real trade examples. Okay. So if you want, my friends, to attend the seminar, if you're in the Discord, it's completely free. Or if you are a Trading Wars Army member, it's completely free. Okay. So how do you become a Trading Wars Army member? So let me show you that right now. All right. So I'm going to show you guys right now. Okay. One sec. Just going to pull up the video here. All right. So you guys are watching this video right now. If you click the join button, it's $4.99 to join, and you'll get the green. You'll get the green around your name. You'll become a part of the Trading Wars Army members, and you'll automatically get into the seminar for free. And why would you want to be a part of the Trading Wars Army? Well, let me show you, my friends. I'm just going to show you here. So every day, Trading Wars Army members get exclusive picks and content. Okay, so if you're a Trading Wars Army member, click on the membership tab. You can see this is the June 30th seminar ready to go. And I post specific option plays and swing trades for the Trading Wars Army members only. All right. So if you want to support me and you want to get access to the Discord, click the join button right below this video, and you'll be able to come out to our seminar. I'm also going to do 5 free spots for supporters. So if you want to get to the seminar and you can't afford the $4.99, that's not a problem. I want to do 5 free spots. All you guys need to do is make sure at the end of this video, you drop a like and you comment Fibonacci King. All right. And I'm going to pick a few people that'll be able to get into this seminar next Sunday for free. All right. And all right. So that's it, guys. So I hope that all made sense. So like I said, my must hold level for this week is 5,500. I think it's going to be really volatile. And let's go ahead and do lifetime Discord giveaway right now. Hit me with a 10 if you're ready. Okay. And let's go to, let's get one of our posts with some good comments here. All right, so we're going to use this post. I'm going to post it in there. So go ahead, guys, and comment. Comment on this post. Make sure you click on both of the links to be eligible. Okay, click on both of my guides. Comment on this post. I'm next. Hit me with a 17 when you're done, and we'll pick the winner. Okay. Doe Dream, welcome to the Trading Wars Army, guys. Let's welcome Doe Dream in with the TW Army Spy VIP. Robert Kennedy, welcome to the Trading Wars Army. Let's welcome Robert, guys. TW Army Spy VIP. Come on, send some love out there. You guys will be eligible for the seminar. Make sure you go to the membership tab on YouTube, and I'll post the link to the seminar a little bit closer to the end of the week next week. So make sure you look for the link on Friday. Okay, look for the link. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to refresh this, and the 10th comment is going to be the winner. The 10th comment is going to be the winner. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So right here, Phil Mann. All right, Phil Mann, if you're in the Discord right now, if you're in the chat right now, hit me with the 7, Phil Mann. Phil Mann, you are the winner. Like I said, guys, don't worry if you didn't win now. I'm going to do 20 more lifetime Discord giveaways throughout the year. All you need to do is make sure you subscribe, drop a like. 5 free spots for the seminar next Sunday. All you have to do when I end this video is comment Fib King, drop a like. Okay, so Phil Mann is the winner. Email me, philmanrich@tradingwars.com, and I will take care of you. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys have been green so far this year. This has been a really, honestly speaking, this has been one of the easiest years to trade because it's all been trending to the upside. So it doesn't have to be this easy going forward, but we're going to be, as long as we're getting a deal, as long as we're getting a discount, as long as we're managing our risk to reward, that is the most important thing for us to succeed, even when the markets get tough. I still think we have some gas in the tank here, guys. This could be one of those legendary years that the market will look back and say, hey, in 2024 was the craziest year to make money in trading. And so far, it's been amazing. Okay, so check me out, guys, at tradingwars.com. If you like what you've seen here, my friends, come trade live with us. Get the lifetime Discord. You can subscribe right here on the main page. Come watch me trade live. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget, comment Fib King below. Drop a like for the next giveaway. Appreciate you guys, and have a great